Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I brought a bitter gourd which is little bit damaged due to fungus activities. Now take the knife and cut the bitter gourd with two pieces. And carefully separate the seeds. After separating the seeds, dry the seeds in direct sunlight for about 4 to 5 days until they harden. Once dried, place the seeds in the soil. Push each seed inside the soil about 1 to 2 inches. Water lightly and keep the soil moisture until germination begins. So this is the plant of bitter gourd. So you can see the tendrils are slender and called extension that arise close to the point where the leaf petiole attached to the stem. They are unbranched and called toward the apex. The mother cow and her little daughter calf walked together in the meadow where the land was covered in the soft green grasses. The calf, full of excitement, wanted to graze but also wished her mother to stay close by her side. With the mother's cow's calm presence beside her, the daughter felt safe and happy as they enjoyed the fresh pasture together. Mother cow follows her daughter.